Welcome to Yoder & Sons Construction. We invite you to walk with us on a tour through one of our custom homes. This custom home features a Therma-Tru smooth star fiberglass door with a sustainable wood grain pattern and is housed in a solid PVC frame. These materials are used to prevent decay and extend the life of the door. All our floor plans are open in order to provide an easy flow from one living area to another. Our finished product provides intimate yet comfortable and generous spaces for everyday living. Choose from over 350 stain and paint colors, as well as many species of wood. They include oak, maple, cherry, hickory, ash, pine, and others. All our cabinetry is solid wood with dovetail constructed drawers handmade by skilled Amish craftsmen. Also featured in the construction of our cabinetry are hydraulic soft close hinges and drawer slides, full extension deep pan drawers, and a built-in pantry with pull-out drawers, as well as all wood super lazy Susans, which rotate independently in the corner cupboards. Light rails conceal under-cabinet lighting fixtures. Countertops are crafted from an array of beautiful granite choices with a variety of edge profiles. The flooring is 5-inch wide bellawood, solid mahogany hardwood, with a 100-year transferable warranty. All floor vents are wood stained to match the flooring. Carpets are padded with an upgraded carpet padding that provides for long wear and a comfortable step. This home provides over 2,000 square feet on the ground floor with an optional bonus room of 330 square feet, perfect for a quiet getaway or a playroom for children. It features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The master bedroom is graced with a tray ceiling. Features in the master bath include Amish crafted solid wood cabinets with granite countertops, a whirlpool tub, and a makeup vanity. Beveled mirrors are housed in custom handcrafted frames that are stained to match the bathroom cabinetry. The shower has a frameless glass door and a beautiful river stone floor. The laundry and bathroom floors are enhanced with custom floor tiles that are grouted with quartz lock grout, guaranteed against staining and color fade. The laundry room features custom cabinets with under-cabinet lighting and a utility sink that is installed in a laminate countertop with beveled wood edging. Windows are double pane with low E and argon, inhibiting temperature transfer between indoor and outdoor temperatures, providing energy efficiency in heating and cooling. They also provide protection from harmful UV rays that fade furniture, draperies, and flooring. All the trim is solid wood. The screened-in porch is maintenance-free and provides a pleasant outdoor haven. This spacious, fully finished garage features composite decking and vinyl rail for the entrance steps. It is insulated, drywalled, painted, and trimmed. Building a home is a personal investment that we respect. We are committed to give you our best because our relationships are built on trust.